I wouldn't break it, but I would throw it and it'll hit him in the head. That's what I wish would happen.
That was 180.
I give you 180 bucks and I can throw this at his head.
What if you don't hit it?
I'll still give you 180 bucks.
Dice que si no te pega, que si te pega te puedes mover. Te da 280.
Mira, 200 bucks.
Ok, 200 dice. Hey, he say if you don't hit it, he's gonna throw it back to you.
That's fine.
So
you think I'm gonna miss it? You actually think I'm gonna miss his head?
No, but he can move. He can move.
Can move?
Yeah, he can move.
And I can't move.
Yeah, you can move too.
I can still hit him for sure.
Oh my god, that's so funny. Hey, he's wearing the thing too. He's wearing the same clothes.
We are in the Bugatti Veyron. As you guys know, one of my favorite cars ever is the Veyron. Excuse the bumpiness, we're in handling mode, which means the car is lowered and the wing is up, which this is the best way to drive it. It looks amazing. It handles great. This car we wrapped before in a gloss white, and now we just wrapped it in satin white with another lamination over the wrap for more protection. We also powder coated the aftermarket wheels in gloss black. Customer put aftermarket wheels on this car mainly because he's not going to be driving 200 miles per hour and he doesn't need to change the tires, the stock tires, all the time. So best option is to put some aftermarket wheels on there. It looks great. This car has that big glass on top of us, so really dope as well. Full glass on the top. It's like a T-top, like a Target top. Tough car to take apart. You got to know what you're doing, of course, but we do it. Stay-at-home order is still active. However, nobody's staying at home. Everybody's out. There's traffic everywhere in LA right now. We're on Sunset Boulevard, and I don't remember Sunset Boulevard being like this for a few months now. So we're pretty much back to normal on the streets in LA. We got a little spoiled with the traffic for the last couple months. Not to take away from the coronavirus. I hope everybody's safe, but yeah, pretty crazy. Alright, so we just spotted Cristo on Sunset Boulevard, a couple blocks down from the shop. We honked at him, but it was a little too late. We were already passing him, so we're gonna go back and try to catch him right now.
He's saying he's lost.
Look who it is.
See? You're not lost.
It's that way, Cristo. It's that way. Come on top. Want to sit in that? He wants to give you a ride home? He wants you to give him a ride home. Shut up, bro. There's a guy that needs help. Thank you, man. Lost? He's lost. I'm not kidding. Let's go. Hold on. Come on. So what's up, guys? So we have a 2020 M8. This is one of the fastest car the BMW has, and there's M8 competition package is the fastest one. So this is the second fastest car in the BMW. This is faster than my car. I'm not gonna even argue. There's few changes they make on this M8, which there's 2 buttons. The only thing they messed it up on the M8, they don't have the crystal shifter. My favorite one is the comp. Whole different call, different sound. This is the new BMW Sport cluster they have, like basic ones they don't have this. This is faster than the VIX car too, but still we cannot feel the power toe. I think there's a braking point, so there's a 350 miles and then there's a braking point, so you can't just gun it. But this is a really awesome car, guys. This one used to be the back in the days the 6 Series, so this is a better version of the 6 Series. They had an 8 Series a long time ago, but discontinued. But they made a 6 Series, now they're continuing the 8 Series. But I think soon they're gonna come out with the 6 Series again. BMW handling is better than Mercedes, and this one is faster than a VIX car. So even Vignos, this is faster than this car. The only thing I like on my car is has the top. You don't feel that like smallness in the car.
It's not expired, bro.
Now it is.
It said 1 minute when I
see, still it wasn't expired.
And you wrote thing. Expired meter.
It wasn't expired.
When I came, it was 1 minute left.
1 minute, yeah.
So we are in Bugatti Cullinan right now. This is one of 3 of the vehicles we wrapped for him for his birthday. This is the gloss version of the custom pearl Tiffany color that we made. This vehicle, we had it all white with white RDB wheels before. It was the first Cullinan we actually modified. Crazy experience with this car. Now it's in this crazy custom color. We have all 3 vehicles back at the shop right now because they are all going to go all over, actually, United States. He's gonna be traveling, so he's gonna be taking the vehicles with him. So other states are gonna see these 3 awesome creations. The RDB wheels, we kept them on there. We did wrap the pinstripes on them on the Y spokes. Very intricate, but it looks really nice. It's not too much. And I think this car actually still looks classy and it looks unique at the same time. Going with those other 2 Satin cars, the Ferrari F8 and the Urus, look incredible. The F8 obviously is a little subjective. The wheels are a little bit crazy, but in person it looks unreal, and the customer wants that and the customer loves it, and that's all that matters to us. Alright guys, we're standing in front of the Urus. It was at a video shoot yesterday. Just came back to us to do the jams. We did rush 3 of the cars, so we didn't do the jams on them. We brought them back real quick before they go out of town to do the jams. We finished this side already, so there you have it. The jams are done. Even though this car was blue before, obviously it was a darker blue. We did the jams for him, so when you open the doors, it looks like it's all done. So always the right job at RDB.
We were just hanging out. in beautiful Palm Springs, California. Decided to take a little time off of work. Thanks to RDBLA team for giving me this opportunity to hang out a little bit with family. So I hope you guys are having a great Memorial Day weekend. We're enjoying this nice house. So just stay safe, enjoy, be safe. Thanks to all our RDBLA fans for all your support and love. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, you guys. Cheers.